Hi friends, welcome to our exciting and fun-filled kids YouTube channel Little Sparks. A short story, The Birds in the Kingdom. One day a king and his clever advisor were walking in the garden. The king wanted to test the advisor's brilliance and came up with a question. How many birds are there in our kingdom? The advisor answered immediately that there are 28,000 birds in our kingdom. The king was surprised by his answer and asked, "What if there are more birds?" The advisor replied that maybe a few birds from other kingdoms visit our kingdom. When asked, "What if there are a lesser number of birds?" the advisor replied, "Birds from our kingdom are visiting other kingdoms too." The king enjoyed the clever answers of his advisor. Moral: you will find a solution to every question if you think in a simple way. Our channel, we upload Tamil எழுத்துக்கள், bedtime stories, preschool learning topics, drawings regularly. Link is in description and we hope it will be very useful for your kids. Thank you so much. நீங்க பண்ற ஒவ்வொரு subscribe, like, share எல்லாமே எனக்கு மிகப்பெரிய motivation. Please subscribe and thank you.